Manage client conversations with thread assignment. Thread assignment designates who's responsible for each client conversation, ensuring no message goes unanswered and keeping your team's communication organized. You can assign any chat, SMS, or email thread to yourself or another team member. Each thread can be assigned to only one person at a time, clarifying exactly who should respond. All threads assigned to you appear in a dedicated section under Communications. In both the thread list and individual conversations, the assignee's avatar appears prominently. You'll see it on the left side of each thread preview and in the thread header when you open the conversation. You have multiple ways to assign threads. You can assign in bulk from the Communication section. You can assign threads directly from your Inbox Plus notifications without opening the full conversation. This lets you delegate quickly as messages come in. You can also configure thread assignments directly in your email and chat templates. When these templates are used in automations or for bulk sending, threads are automatically assigned to the designated team member. To find specific conversations, you can filter threads by assignment status or by specific team members. You can reassign or unassign threads at any time. When someone assigns a thread to you, you receive an Inbox Plus notification. The notification shows who assigned it, which account and thread it relates to, and confirms you're now assigned to that conversation.